and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we will unbox, set up and show you how to take a measurement using the IC-PC60 Multiparameter tester. This meter measures pH, EC, TDS, salinity and temperature. This meter is perfect for anyone wanting to measure various water quality parameters. For example, measuring the home pool, irrigation water, wastewater, or out in the field measuring rivers and lakes. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a detailed instruction manual, advice on electrode storage, and a handy laminated quick guide. The quick guide includes how to install batteries, how to calibrate, and how to take measurements and set up. The all-in-one tester has an electrode cap and batteries already installed. There is also a lanyard, electrode storage solution, pH calibration buffers 4 and 7, conductivity calibration solutions 12.88 millisiemens per centimeter and 1413 microsiemens per centimeter. And last of all, there's calibration caps for each of the solutions. This is a handy feature that makes calibrating easy while reducing the risk of contaminating any buffer solutions. To use, pour the correct buffer solution into the cap, and the cap fits neatly over the electrode. Another clever little hack is the bottles fit in the case, so you don't need to worry about knocking over the tester as it's calibrating. If it's your first time using or the tester has not been used in a while, pour some soaking solution into the cap. You should soak the probe for 15 to 30 minutes. Once soaked, remove the white tab covering the batteries and press the on/measurement button. Depending on your needs, IC-PC60 has a number of parameter selections. To enter setup mode, start with the device off. Press and hold the on/measurement button. There are 8 different parameters to select from. Press mode to switch between parameters, or to enter and change, press cal. P1 is buffer set selection. P2 is turning automatic lock on or off. P3 is backlight settings. P4 is selecting temperature coefficient, which is 0 to 4%. P5 is TDS factor selection, which is 0.4 to 1. P6 is selecting salinity units, select between parts per thousand or grams per litre. P7 is temperature unit selection, and P8 is to restore to factory default, select yes or no. Once your selections are chosen, long press on/measure to return to measurement mode. Last of all, we will take a salinity measurement. You will need your sample and some distilled or deionized water. Select the measurement mode for salinity by pressing the mode button until the desired setting appears. We are looking for SAL. Before and after each measurement, rinse the electrode in distilled or deionized water. Shake off excess water gently. Then place the device into your sample and wait for a stable reading. Once stable, a smiley face will appear on the screen on the second LCD row. Now your sample test is complete, rinse in distilled or deionized water. If the electrode is soiled, it may be worth cleaning properly. See the link in the description for a video on how to clean a conductivity meter. Otherwise, place a protective cap back in place, turn off and store away for next use. We hope that you found this video helpful. Click on the device to take you to the product page. Remember, you can subscribe to our channel. We upload new videos weekly, or follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.